Hello. Here is how you can add a reviews section on your Wix site in just a few simple steps using the Reviews Page app by Market Push Apps. Now let's see how to set up the Reviews Page app. First, you'll need to install the Reviews Page app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Also, this is how to add the app through Wix Studio. Head to the App Market menu and search for the Reviews Page app. Then click Add to Site. After adding the app, here is how you can easily view all templates to choose the one that best suits your site. Then you'll just drag it to the right section on your site. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it. From the Reviews section App Settings, you can change the design of the template to show the desired information only. To modify the content of an element, simply double-click it. For example, you can easily change this image. You can also easily change the texts and their settings. For example, we'll change the size of this text. Here is how to set up the rating settings. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.